Thank you very much. And all right. Hi everybody, so my name is Fabien Appert and I will present to you Uspace, which is a startup that provides CubeSat mission. So first I will start my presentation with a fact that there are new needs in the space industry. People want to use space faster, cheaper, but still they want to have performant and reliable missions. And you can see that in a lot of fields of applications, for example, in science, in connected agriculture, or in space weather. At Uspace, we propose a solution for that. So we propose CubeSat missions with two multi-missions CubeSats, Unity and Union, a 3U and a 6U CubeSats. As we use the CubeSat Standard, it's cheaper. As we propose a CubeSat as a service, it's faster. And finally, we are using CNES heritage, so we have the performance and the reliability. We go very fast on the first topic with the CubeSat Standard. I guess you know what is a CubeSat. So we have these standards in the nanosatellite class, beginning with a 1U CubeSat, which is a satellite with a form factor of a cube of 10 centimeters of size, and we go up to the 27U. And with that, you have a standard launcher interface and components of the shelf that helps people making CubeSat, making satellite cheaper. Second topic is CubeSat as a service. What is that? At Uspace, we are a system prime contractor for 3U and 6U CubeSats. So we start with a client needs or a client ID, and at Uspace we're able to convert these needs into a whole system, including, of course, the CubeSat in orbit, but also all the ground segments that you need to communicate with the CubeSat. And in the end, we provide to the customer data upon which the customer can do science or can do commercial application. And the third topic is performance and reliability. So I will speak about the team and the heritage of the team. So we are three co-founders, Antoine Ressouche, Nicolas Humeau, and myself, Fabien Appert, with several years of experience doing student CubeSat at CNES, the French Space Agency, and at ESA Super, an engineering university in Toulouse. And our main heritage is ISAT. It's a 3U student CubeSat developed at CNES. The project started in 2012, and it was launched on December 18th last year. It's a very performant CubeSat. We have 3-axis pointing, 4 deployable solar panels, a high downlink data rate of 15 megabits per second. And right now, the CubeSat is working well in orbit. We have an operation contract to use the satellite, and we signed a commercial license with CNES that allows the startup to use ISAT technology for commercial services. And here are the different milestones we have. The startup was founded in 2018. We won our first mission contract for a 3U CubeSat with CNES, and we will do radio frequency monitoring with this CubeSat. Right now we are 10 people in the company. And the next step is to demonstrate in orbit a 6U CubeSat formation flight to go in 2024 to the capability to provide constellation of CubeSat clusters to address different applications depending on the opportunity. So it can be science or it can be commercial services. So if you want to do an interesting mission with CubeSats, come and talk to us to the booth D34, and I will be very pleased to answer your question right now.
Questions? Oh yeah. So thank you, Fabian. You said your CubeSat missions are cheaper. How much?
We can share the microphone. Come on, we can do this.
All right, so it's always the difficult question. Typically, if you want to do a 3-year CubeSat with the launch included, it's around €1 million to do the whole mission.
How many years?
We aim at developing the CubeSat in 1 year. And so right now the contract we have, the development time is 18 months. So we almost at the target.
How many years of operation?
That's quite impressive. Let's go for 1 or 2 more questions. Thank you so much. This was 2 already. I tried to be kind of a bit harsh, you know. Yes, Councillor. Sorry.
Thanks. What's your unique selling point towards? I mean, there are many companies, I would say, who are offering similar services, and you say you're cheaper. Is this the only selling point? Because I heard this 1 million number before, I must confess.
Yeah, no, actually it's not the main advantage of Uspace. It's not the price, it's the way, the approach we have. So we really focus on the system design. And so contrary to most of our competitors, we do not fabricate components internally. We are integrator, and we are really focusing on the mission analysis, system design, testing, and then operating the CubeSat.
Great. Any more questions? Basically, this gives me... Yes, sorry, the gentleman over there, 3rd row.
Yes, actually I was interested in the last remaining question, so about the lifetime.
Yeah, about the lifetime, yeah. So right now the targeted lifetime is 1 year, and we want to extend it to around 3 years.
Okay.
And what's the total plan in terms of kick-out over the next years?
What's the question?
Oh, this shouldn't happen, huh? That I don't ask. What's the size of systems which you want to put out in the next years?
Like, you mean the number of CubeSats we want to have in a system?
Exactly.
Yeah. So we're aiming at constellation of clusters, so around 5 CubeSats flying very closely for a constellation of around a little bit less than 100 CubeSats, depending on the application.
Okay. We need to wrap it up here because basically I screwed up the timing slightly, but you did not screw up this pitch. Thank you so much.